Hi everyone, in this video we can understand what is IOC container. IOC stands for Inversion of Control. The object which is managed by the IOC container is called Spring Bean. The responsibilities of IOC container creating objects. It creates the objects for the Spring Beans. Next, Dependency Injection. Configuring dependencies via Dependency Injection means injecting dependent class object into target class objects. Next, manage bean lifecycle. Managing entire lifecycle of Spring Beans from instantiation to destruction, like create the objects, provide data to the objects, link one object to other objects, finally destroy the objects. Next one is reading configuration. Reading configurations from various sources like XML files, Java configuration, and annotations. This is all about IOC container. Okay, I will see you in the next video.